What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve Studs from Printer Gang Investments, back with another video, man. So, another day of the bears trying to push up on us. They had Palantir down real bad today. They had us down like 3%. We actually rebounded, closed the day up 0.7%. The market did basically similar. Got knocked down, but we had some epic rebounds throughout the day. I wish I had stayed there day trading that all day, man. I left early. I tried to hang in there, boy. About 12:30, I was getting bored. I said tomorrow. But this ain't about that. Today we had a problem with those freaking bond yields. If you know anything about these markets, you know your growth stocks, tech stock, hate bond yield, interest rate rising, all that. So we had a little downturn today. Do I think this rally's over in the bigger scheme of things? Not at all. The main thing I want to talk about is I actually heard a video from some analysts, and I'm working on learning to get my computer right so I can start doing more reaction videos for you guys. But I heard some analysts saying that software spending isn't going to start until the summer. And that heard like music to my ears. That's music to my ears right there. They're saying the software spend ain't gonna come to the summer. And they were speaking on Microsoft, Amazon, Salesforce, stocks like that. I'd probably go as far as to throw CrowdStrike in there. You know what I'm saying? And it's just the thesis panning out. I've been saying it's not just Palantir. It's not just Palantir. Software spend's finna come up. And I think pretty soon, I don't know when it's going to start, so don't mark my word, but it looks like we're coming into that rotation era. Like, the biggest trade's been semiconductors in the tech stock sector. So, with what's going on now, everybody's buying their chips, everybody's building out their AI infrastructure. What's the next thing everybody going to have to do? Put the software on it. And I heard an analyst say some beautiful news that was music to my ears again. When they spend that software money, it's not a one-time cost. And if it is not a one-time cost either, because you're going to have to upgrade, over time, maybe every year, every few years or whatever. But it's time in between upgrade cycles. Software is going to be recurring revenue, which means they're going to get money and they're going to keep getting it, because they're going to keep getting paid over and over again. And if you know anything about the software business and software stocks, the profit margins is going to be way higher than what we saw on the hardware side. So it's just panning out what all the analysts been saying since last year. For every dollar of software spend, there's going to be $12 to $20 of software spend. And we're on the precipice of it, you feel me? So at this point, all we got to do is sit back, make it through this, correction, accumulation phase, consolidation phase, whatever you want to call it, whatever we do. We just got to make it through this, man. Q2's cool, but we really ready to go and get Q2 out the way. I pray your stock survive. I pray Palantir survive. Shout out to my boys over there at Tesla. Keep sliding for Elon. Y'all got a nightmare quarter coming up. But we just got to make it through this next quarter. And once we make it through the next quarter, we should start seeing a little more smooth sailing. It's still things in our way. I'm hearing people speculating that J. Powell isn't going to do any rate cuts this year at all. So that's not priced in yet. And if people really keep believing that and they price that in, that's going to be a lot more pain for us, you guys. But, we're going to hold strong. As far as these tech stocks, AI stocks, I think we're in the right place at the right time. There are other sectors moving, of course. It's not just tech and AI. Energy's hitting all-time highs. We had cocoa over there in the futures market. So there are other plays to be had, of course. But I feel like if you're thinking longer term, like 2025, 2026, 2027, these are the stocks to be in. So I'm going to keep looking deeper in the software game. Like, I still like my hardware build-out plays. That's cool. But I'm looking Palantir first, of course. I like CrowdStrike and Salesforce, of course, Microsoft, Amazon. And we just going to be looking for more plays, because we don't want to fall behind. So, I like crowdsourced due diligence. So if anybody got any ideas, anything I might be missing, let me know in the comments. You know what I'm saying? And happy Q2. Hope everybody's stock beat earnings. I'm going to be giving a lot of earnings updates, a lot more videos. Printing Gang Investments, we here to stay. It's your boy Steve. I'm going to see you in the next video.